Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two top contenders in the electric vehicle tire market, the Pirelli Scorpion Elect and the Michelin e.Primacy. With the growing shift towards electric vehicles, it's crucial to understand how these specialized tires perform across key metrics. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about rolling resistance. This is a critical factor for EV tires as it directly impacts the vehicle's range. Both the Scorpion Elect and e.Primacy hold an EU label for rolling resistance. However, the e.Primacy excels with a rolling resistance coefficient of 5.9, significantly below the label threshold. On the other hand, the Scorpion Elect achieves 6.4, just meeting the requirement. Interestingly, despite the e.Primacy's superior rolling resistance, the Scorpion Elect actually consumes less energy, 13.2 kilowatt per 100 kilometers compared to the e.Primacy's 13.4. This showcases the complexity of tire performance in real-world conditions. Moving on to wet performance, the e.Primacy takes the lead in both wet braking and handling. It stops 0.7 meters shorter and has a slightly higher lap speed in wet conditions. However, when it comes to aquaplaning, the Scorpion Elect shines due to its deeper tread depth, which helps it manage water better on the road. In straight aquaplaning, the Scorpion Elect outperforms the e.Primacy with a slip speed advantage of 1.4 kilometers per hour, and in lateral aquaplaning, it has a better grip. In dry conditions, the e.Primacy again proves its mettle. It stops 1.7 meters shorter than the Scorpion Elect from 100 kilometers per hour and maintains a slightly faster lap time. The stiffer crown of the e.Primacy due to its lower tread depth plays a crucial role here. When it comes to noise and comfort, both tires are neck and neck. They both achieve a pass-by noise rating of 71.9 decibels, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride. To sum it up, the Michelin e.Primacy stands out with its lower rolling resistance, better wet and dry performance, and balanced characteristics. However, the Pirelli Scorpion Elect offers superior aquaplaning resistance, making it a solid contender. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.